Hi, I'm Chris.
And I'm Archie.
And we're in a noisy Italian train going to Milano Centrale to see if we can spot some trains there.
And eat pizza carbonara.
Good call. Archie's first pizza in Italy. What's going on, Arch?
I've got the biggest piece of salami ever. It starts there and finishes there. It goes from there to there.
Awesome.
That's it. Look at this beauty.
This is the last train we'll be spotting today.
Yep.
It's part of the Thello. It's a sleeper.
Yep. And the engine is a Train Italia.
Yeah, absolutely. The reason this is the last train we'll be spotting of the day is because
It's a sleeper train.
and we're getting on it.
Also the last sleep of our journey.
Absolutely. We're going to Paris, Gare du Lyon, I believe.
Can't wait.
Let's find out what that's like. Oh, so this is our Thello coach, or Thello. This is our Thello room. What do you think, Arch?
So, pretty small but pretty nice.
Do you know what? I think it's bigger than our Austrian one. And the beds are bigger, beds are wider.
And also there's a ladder.
There's a ladder, which should help you. There's a lot more headroom, because it's not a double-decker. But we don't have the bonuses of free food, pretzels, bottles of wine and
But we get luggage room.
you get a luggage rack. Got the same kind of air conditioning.
Yeah.
A little cupboard. Oh, actually, there was me saying it didn't have all the luxuries, and it's got some of them. I think there's have we got slippers again? Yes, we've got slippers again. And we've got water to drink in a little cup.
Yeah.
Oh, this is great.
I love it.
And absolutely, yeah. We did say that it didn't have all the mod cons that the Austrians have, but it does have an invitation to go for breakfast in the morning in the restaurant car, complimentary, and invitation for a couple of drinks in the bar. But that's very nice, isn't it, Archie?
This is actually really nice.
I think it's great.
Apart from being scared for my life on that ladder, it's pretty nice.
Well, it's better to have the ladder than no ladder. The other one didn't have no ladder. And also, I like these, the fact that you can't fall out of bed because you are such a wriggly kipper.
I know, but the problem
let's hear the
is,
but, shall we?
if I'm trying to get up or down the ladder, this rope is in the way, so I find it difficult getting to that ladder. Or once I get up it, I have troubles.
You could climb across the luggage rack, couldn't you?
I know, but I'd probably fall through and break my neck.
Couldn't you climb onto here from the ladder and then leap across in one bound?
No. Dad, I'm not Harry Potter.
You're not Harry Potter, no. You're not Tarzan of the Apes either, are you?
Through the air.
That's not Harry Potter, that's Howard Jones, isn't it? All in all, I'm pretty happy with it. I think we're about ready to go.
Yay.
Paris, here we come.
And also I'm a bit worried that Hammer will fall out and set off the alarm.
No, it won't set off the alarm. What will set the alarm off is that red handle there.
Oh.
So as long as we avoid that, I think we'll be alright. Buona notte, Archie.
And let's get some more fresh air.
What are you looking at, Arch?
Scenery.
Scenery, yeah. What kind of scenery?
Yellow scenery.
Where are we?
Pardon?
Where are we?
We're in France.
That's it, we're watching a bit of France go by. On our way to Paris. Qu'est-ce que c'est? What's this?
An SNCF.
Oh yes, Archie, there's a lot of SNCF here.
Let's see what engine's at the front.
Oh, I tell you what's at the front.
What?
An awesome shunter. This is a Thello breakfast. It's a rubbery little croissant, probably baked sometime in the last month. Doesn't really compare with our Austrian breakfast. Never mind. Beggars can't be choosers. There's our Thello that we've been travelling on all night.
Something amazing about this train.
Tell us.
It's made by Alstom, and Alstom have also made the Thello, the Virgin Trains Pendolino.
Ah, same company. Archie, we appear to be in Paris by the looks of it. Oh, we're quite. How funny. We just got off a train and we found ourselves here.
Amazing.
Absolutely is, isn't it?